Today we'll be making potato cheese croquette. Our ingredients are going to be potatoes, cheese cubes, eggs, flour, breadcrumbs, and salt. Let's start preparing. First, we're going to wash the potatoes. After washing the potatoes, we're just going to peel and boil it until it's soft. So here we have the potatoes peeled. So here are the potatoes that I left boiling for 20 minutes. Now they're soft enough to mash. While mashing it, we'll add salt and pepper. Keep on mashing until it cools down and safe enough to mold into balls. So now we're going to start making the balls itself. Don't forget to use gloves too since we're going to be molding them. I'm using a scoop so that I can get equal measurements. Now set it aside. So here's the first batch that I made. We're gonna chill it first. It needs to be chilled so that it can be firm and will be easy to bread since it won't be able to take this egg mixture. So I made a total of 17 balls. I've chilled them for about 20 minutes and now it's time to bread them. First one here. So this is our first batch. Let's start cooking. So the oil is hot, so we can start chopping the balls now. Only put 4 at a time so that it doesn't overcrowd. This cooks pretty quick, so you have to watch out for it. It's already cooked. So turn off the heat and now we'll start plating. So now we're done. Should have like put less pepper though. Okay, that's good.
Sarap. Sarap. Well done. Sarap.
Thank you.
Mama. Magugustuhan mo kang bato.